Welcome back to the GTR rebuild. The shell is completely stripped now. Picked up some dry ice just earlier, ready to take off all the sound deadening throughout the inside. It's the easiest way to do it. I'll video that process also. Interior is completely gutted. Nothing. As there was a bit of rust coming through the floor and the corners. So that's why I gotta get all this sound deadening out to be able to fix the rust properly. A lot of work. But do it once, do it right. So far the inside of the panels look really good. Other than that, it's been fixed before, maybe more than once. Not too bad, but hopefully can improve on that one as well. Engine bay completely stripped. That's the aerial out of the way. Alright, in the driver's corner now, sort of made my way all the way around, found the worst bit of the rust. Ouch. I saw it from underneath, but it looks a lot worse now. Anyway, this is all you gotta do, bit of tap all the way around. Sometimes you're lucky. That. It's a good piece. Grab one more. Here are frozen. Rust. Not bad. Hello and welcome back to GTR Rusty Rebuild. Yesterday was sound deadening day. It's good fun. Dry ice. It's just the glue left over. Scrap that off later. Wire wheel. Even weigh it all. Interesting to know how much weight there is. Showed up a bit more rust too, which is exactly why I took as much out as possible, rather than just what I could see already, which has now turned into quite a mess. But at least it's showing. Lots. Passenger side is not as bad as the driver's side, that's for sure. The exhaust pretty much bubbled the whole way through the middle, which made the side a lot harder to remove, as you can see. We got there. More rust. You can see the chassis rail. See it right there. So from where I've marked it is probably where I'll open it up so that I can blast as much of the chassis rails as I can possibly get to. Once it's blasted tomorrow, we'll find out. See you then.